Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's heavy. That is a meaty beast. A meaty feast, I should say. If you didn't know what a Hyrax looked like, this is that. And I should get it back because potentially that might have been caught last night. And if it was last night, then that's been sitting for quite a few hours at ambient temperature. So it should be perfect for cooking. Breakfast. I was contemplating whether it was like a rat, something that you roast in its skin, or whether like a rabbit you skin it first. And I think the hide might be useful for me, so I've decided to skin it first. So I'm just gonna cut from its private parts up to its sternum and just take the guts out. I'm just gonna see if, like a rabbit, its skin almost comes off like a sock. A lot of meat, a carcass there. The organ meat will spoil first, but it's also got the most nutrients in it, so I'm just gonna make myself a little kebab. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ow. 180 degrees Celsius. Perfect. That's liver, kidney, heart, all the goodies. I know how incredibly, oh my god, nutritious the organ meats are. I'm a massive kidney fan, or a liver fan. Look at that beautiful chunk of liver. This couldn't have come at a better time. It's the first protein I've eaten in 3 days. I was on the brink of exhaustion. All of that nutrients is coming in. Ah,